Want an easy way to organize your reading list? Here's a way that helps provide structure while still making it really easy to add new items. We'll be using this example here. You can go install this to your RemNote account with one click in the description. This table has been configured with a number of different properties to help us organize our ideas. The type column here is a single select, which lets us select from article or book, or we can easily add new things here as well, such as podcast, etc. Status here helps us remember if we've started something, if it's done or in progress. Then we have a link and then a completed date. The chapter notes column here is maybe the most interesting, where it helps us to organize all of the notes for the book or the article or whatever we're learning. This is just a normal set of RemNote bullets, which we can open up and either add new notes here directly, either notes or flashcards or whatever we want, or as normal, we can just click on the bullet here and zoom in and start taking notes as a normal RemNote document. For any of these rows, we can also press the open button in the name column. This will pull up this as a normal RemNote document again, where we can see all of our properties at the top here, including, importantly, our chapter notes, which we can edit, as well as just any notes that we want to take down below, be it notes on this book, other scratch ideas that were generated while thinking, etc. If we click on the tag here, the tag for reading list, we'll be brought to the tag page, which shows us everything that is tagged with reading list in our knowledge base, and again shows it in a nice concise table here. We'll also see things that we were recently modifying, so that we can jump back in to those books or articles or whatever we're working on and automatically keep on reading them. We can also add more views here. For example, we might want to only see books that are in the in progress status. To do so, we can press New View here, and then add a new filter for status equals in progress. And then maybe we also want to filter it down to books by type, where the type is book. And we can see that it's nicely formatted here. Note that if we press plus here, it'll automatically figure out the appropriate columns for us, setting book and in progress automatically to ensure that it also shows up in this table. This also works really nicely with the RemNote Reader. If you found a PDF or got a PDF of Moonwalking with Einstein, you could go and press Upload Source here to open that as a PDF right in RemNote. This will appear on the right in a super powerful PDF experience that lets you make flashcards and link to specific parts of the PDF. It would look something like this, where you can go and highlight individual sections, copy them, and then paste them into your notes with a deeply linked reference here. All of this is, of course, highly customizable. On our table here, we can add new columns for anything else that we want to remember. We can change the type of these columns, and we can add new views. Additionally, you can easily add bullets to your reading list from anywhere in your knowledge base. If, for example, you're on your daily note and you want to go and quickly add some new idea here, you can just type down the link or just type out the name of the book that you want to read, maybe Lord of the Rings, and then just go type the double hashtag once and then twice and type it into our reading list. Now, because this was tagged as reading list, it will automatically appear in this table here. We can see it right here, even though this is actually still on my daily notes page. This makes it really easy to add new items without having to go and deal with the table itself. Finally, we can also configure a template for ourselves to help us structure our notes on whatever we're reading. We can go to the top here, into View Configuration, press Create Template, and then set up an arbitrary document. I'll just call this my default template for my reading list, and then add sections for maybe some key takeaways, summary, quotes, etc. When I now go to an individual item on my reading list and press Open, you can see that it's prompting me to add the template here, and when I click it, it'll automatically be copied. I can now easily structure my notes into these sections here. And if I want, I can even get these to appear on my table as well to view them all in a single place. So that's it. It's a really easy system for organizing your reading list, where you can still figure out anything that you're currently reading, anything that is upcoming or of a specific type, and easily add to it from anywhere in your knowledge base. Go install it with a single click from the link in the description, and happy learning!